Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Enable Intel VTX or AMDV in BIOS so the VM can run efficiently. Next, install the virtual desktop client on your PC and ensure the guest OS has the companion software. Once done, choose a network mode, bridged or host only, and assign a fixed IP to the VM to avoid fluctuating addresses. Make sure firewall rules allow traffic for the virtual desktop app and that your GPU drivers are up to date before proceeding. With prerequisites satisfied, allocate resources, enable GPU pass-through, or assign a virtual GPU, increase RAM and CPU cores for smooth visuals. Then configure the VM's display resolution and audio forwarding so remote output matches your headset or monitor. Start the VM and note its fixed IP address. Once it's running, open the virtual desktop client on your PC and create a new connection using that IP, selecting the correct streaming protocol and authentication method. These settings finish by verifying encryption and authentication settings. Connect and run a short latency and quality test while the VM is under load so you see realistic performance. If the connection fails or stutters, check logs in the virtual desktop client, then run ping and tracert to the VM IP to isolate network issues. Make sure firewall ports are open, GPU drivers on host and guest are current, and your network uses bridged mode if direct access is required. If problems persist, reboot host and VM and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.